Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add another account on TikTok. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply tap on the arrow that is next to your name at the top middle of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on add account, and after this you can just simply enter your phone number or now tap on continue, or you can continue with these accounts, your Facebook account or your Apple account or your Google account, and after this you can just simply put the further details, and now the account is created on TikTok, and it is a way you can add another account on TikTok if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.